Meaning of draft.
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 Draft. The word draft can have various meanings depending on the context in which it appears. Generally speaking, however, it refers either to a preliminary version of a document or piece of writing that has not yet been finalized or approved, or to a current of air that is created by some kind of movement or ventilation. In both cases, the idea of incompleteness or transience is a key aspect of the meaning of draft. Whether it's a draft beer, a draft horse, or a military draft, the concept of something in motion or undergoing revision is an essential part of the definition.